The Shiba Inu coin has been in the spotlight for several reasons. However, the currency takes over many crypto markets and is an excellent choice for investors. Shiba Inu, aka SHIB, is an Ethereum-based altcoin that includes the Shiba Inu hunting dog as its mascot and is considered as an alternative to Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is the emerging ERC20 flagship of 2021, with over 1 million holders and almost 2 million SHIB army followers on various social media platforms, and has experienced an exponential value increase in the last 2 years. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Dom, and welcome to my series called Everything You Need to Know. Now, if there's a certain coin or anything in the crypto space that you want me to make a video on, drop a comment down below. Now, if you can do me a huge favor and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so other people just like you can find this video. Now let's get into it. So what is Shibarium? Shibarium is a L2 scaling solution. It is set to launch in the third quarter of this year, which has caught a lot of attention in the crypto community. The layer 2 solution, according to Shiba Inu developers, Satoshi and Ryoshi, would significantly cut the transaction fees and maybe even cut those fees to zero. The Shiba Inu token has seen an increase of 33% in the last week at the time of this recording, and that revolves around the news of the Shibarium Layer 2 release. With the talks of the Shibarium, an Ethereum whale purchased 163 billion SHIB in the last 48 hours. Now that's worth around $1.74 million. There has been a lot of discussion about the L2 scaling solution on the project's Discord server. However, the Shibarium development team has disclosed some new information about the Futures project. Now, Shibarium was launched during the alpha testnet phase in a private setting, according to the foundation. Now, according to the developers, the results were a success, and the key tool under extreme development is the wallet app. Now, the wallet will allow Ethereum and Shibarium to exchange assets in both directions. The Unification Foundation's Maziar Sadari added the Shibarium public beta testnet is scheduled for deployment in Q3 to coincide with the fund testnet upgrade, including the anticipated IBC Gravity W Fund updates. The public beta testnet should allow parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. Now, at the time of this recording, SHIB is up 33% in the previous week, and it's still 87.6 lower than the token's all-time high in October of 2021. Now, according to Into the Block statistics, SHIB holders are now generating roughly 23% profit at the current pricing. SHIB has a large number of whales, with Into the Block metrics indicating that SHIB has an 81% concentration of large investors. Now, SHIB also features a burn strategy, which intends to increase the rarity of the crypto asset by allowing investors to burn SHIB in the burn portal, which helps lower the circulating supply. Now, while burning helps lowering the quantity of SHIB, there are almost 600 trillion SHIB in circulation today. While Shiba Inu gained more than 33% in the previous week, 10.1% was achieved only in the last 24 hours. Since the announcement, the Shiba Inu price has jumped by over 7%. SHIB is now trading at a price of 4.011 at the time of this recording. Now, its 24-hour trading volume has surged by 10% to $804 million. However, SHIB is still the second largest meme cryptocurrency with a market cap around $6 billion. Now, a special tool will allow users to transfer between L1 and L2 assets. Meanwhile, this process will also give birth to the W Fund. It is being reported that Shiba Inu has added over 1,000 new holders to the SHIB army. The total number is now over an impressive 1.9 million followers. Meanwhile, the SHIB holders have sent more than 80 million Shiba Inu tokens to a dead wallet, which helps with the burns. Now, here's what to expect when Shibarium is released. Now, the public beta testnet will enable parties to completely participate with the network, including the certification process. According to the blog article, the Shibarium private testnet has been active and running for several weeks. Many useful tools are being built on the network by developers ahead of the public beta testnet release. It looks like Shiba Inu investors will have their first look at Shibarium during the public beta testnet in the following months. Now, here are some key takeaways from the announcement of the Shibarium. The recently published Medium article focuses on the Shibarium specification. Before the ShibaSwap integration, this wallet will provide two-way asset transfers between Ethereum and Shibarium. The wallet will also feature staking and delegating before the ShibaSwap 2.0 integration. Unification's blog provides no information about the Shibarium network's built-in burn mechanism. However, given that this is just the public testnet phase, the team may fully reveal the burn dynamics once the entire Shibarium network is ready for deployment. However, we will have to wait for an official confirmation of its publication from the Shibarium team. Now, since you like crypto, here is a good video to watch on the Celsius Network, a crypto loaning company. Alrighty guys, now that wraps up this video today. Be sure to subscribe to see more videos on crypto and how to make money. Thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.